Have you ever felt a little too different? Do you overthink, enjoy being alone, and sometimes feel like you think differently from everyone else? Science says these are not weaknesses, they may actually be some of the most underrated signs of intelligence. Let's look at 7 signs that people often misunderstand. First, overthinking. If you tend to go over even simple decisions again and again, people usually see it as a weakness. But a 2015 study by researcher Alexander Penny from Lakehead University found that people with higher verbal intelligence are also more likely to engage in worrying and rumination. Another study from SUNY Downstate Medical Center found something similar. People with higher IQs tend to have greater activity in brain regions associated with worrying. In this case, you're not just thinking, you're evaluating multiple possibilities at the same time. Second sign, you enjoy being alone. A 2016 study by Satoshi Kanazawa of the London School of Economics and Norman Lee of Singapore Management University found that most people become happier when they spend more time with friends. But for highly intelligent people, the relationship is often reversed. They tend to feel more satisfied when spending time alone. Researchers call this the Savannah theory of happiness, an evolutionary explanation linked to the social structures of our ancestors. Third sign, you easily recognize patterns. Where others see chaos, you notice connections. In psychology, this is known as fluid intelligence, the ability to quickly identify rules and relationships from new information, which is one of the core foundations of traditional IQ tests. Fourth sign, you often doubt your own abilities. The famous research by Dunning-Kruger and David Dunning of Cornell University introduced the Dunning-Kruger effect. People who know less often overestimate their abilities, while those who truly understand a subject recognize how much they still don't know. So your self-doubt may actually be a sign of deeper understanding. Fifth sign, you often get lost in daydreams. Research by Jonathan Smallwood and Daniel Levinson from the University of Wisconsin-Madison and the Max Planck Institute, published in Psychological Science, suggests that mind-wandering can be a sign of strong working memory. Your brain doesn't simply sit idle, it keeps working in the background. Sixth sign, you sometimes talk to yourself. In an experiment by researchers Gary Lupien and Daniel Swingley, participants who said the names of objects out loud while searching for them found those objects faster than people who search silently. Self-talk can actually be a useful strategy for organizing thoughts and solving problems more efficiently. And the final sign, you're interested in many different things, but you can't easily label yourself an expert in just one. Career coach Emily Wapnick calls people like this multipotentialites. You're not a specialist because you're constantly exploring connections between different worlds of knowledge, and that's your real strength. So, how many of these signs matched you? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe.